How to delete saved videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete saved videos on Facebook quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the menu section, then you simply have to scroll down and tap on saved. And now here in your saved section, you simply have to tap on the Reels tab, which can be seen at the top, or you can simply select the video that you want to delete. And now here, once you are inside the video, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here in this section, from the pop-up menu, you simply have to select the option labeled unsave, reel, and after that, the video will be removed from your save list. And with that, you can repeat this process for all other saved videos that you want to remove. And that's it. That's how you can delete saved videos on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.